Hello everyone, it's Samir here, and today we will look at how to define a conic from its basic definition. Okay, so the basic definition of conic says that it is a locus of a point which moves such that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point to fixed line is always constant. Okay, and this ratio decides what type of a conic it is going to be. This form is called as focus directrix form because that fixed point is called as the focus of the conic and the fixed line is called as the directrix of the conic. Okay, so we draw a fixed line and a fixed point. Okay, and the ratio, and P is a variable point, okay, whose distance from S upon its distance from this line is defined as E, which is called as the eccentricity of the conic. Okay, now if we put this eccentricity as 1, so if you put E as 1, that is the ratio of distance from a fixed point to ratio of distance from fixed line. Okay, then PS will be equal to PN, and we will see how this variable point is going to move when its distance from this fixed point and the fixed line remains same. Okay, so it will move like this, forming a parabola. So when the ratio of distance to fixed point and fixed line are equal, the conic that we get is parabola. Now we change this ratio. We make it 0.6. We make it less than 1. So Pn, the distance from line, will be greater than the distance from fixed point. Now when this ratio E is less than 1, the conic that is formed is called as ellipse, and it is formed like this. Okay, we are forming these conics on same directrix and same focus. Now we take E as 1.6, that is greater than 1. Okay, in this case the distance from fixed point is more than the distance from fixed line. So the curve is going to trace out something like this, forming a hyperbola. Okay, we drew all the three conics on the same focus and same directrix just by changing the ratio of the distance, getting three different conics. So now we see we have drawn one fixed line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 and taken a fixed point x1, y1. Okay, so if P, a variable point, is moving such that the ratio of its distance from S to N remains constant and is defined as E, where E is the eccentricity of the conic. Okay, this one. Okay, so if we want to find the equation of the conic when its directrix is given and when its focus is given, it is called as the focus directrix form of a conic. Okay, so we will just apply this condition. Take a variable point P as x comma y and its distance from this point, that is PS, will be equal to E times Pn. Okay, and then we can square both the sides to get the final form of the equation, which would come something like this. Okay, x minus x1 square, that is the distance of this point from x1, y1. So this is x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square. This is your PS square, okay, which should be equal to E square since we squared both the sides, and the distance PN. Okay, so the distance of variable point x comma y from this line is Lx plus My plus n upon under root L square plus M square, and we whole squared it to get this form of equation, focus directrix form of conic. Now putting different values of E for different conics, you can get the exact conic what you need in a particular problem. Okay, so for understanding mathematics conceptually, solving different kind of problems using unique approaches and first principle methods, and trying to use visualization as a method to see the problem properly and solve it in the shortest possible way, keep watching further videos. See you in the next video.